This is Blair with Coro Medical, home of AED.us, and today we're going to go over how to change the pads and battery on the Zoll AED Pro. To prepare for an emergency, you want to keep the electrodes connected to the unit at all times. There are two types of adult pads that go with this unit. The first is the Cprd Pads that provide CPR feedback. Those have a 5-year expiration. The second are the Zoll Stat Pads. Those have a 2-year expiration. The expiration date is located on the outside of the package. You're going to change the pads at the time of expiration or if you use the AED. To install or replace the adult electrode pads, pull the pad cable on the left side of the AED, take your new set of pads and position the pad connector and put it in the patient cable connector. It's as simple as that. The battery has a 4-year expiration. The manufacture date and the use-by date are both located on the outside of the battery. To install or replace the battery pack, you pull the bottom edge of the battery compartment latch outward and then slide the panel up. You remove the battery. You get your new battery and install until you hear it click. Then put the panel back on and then fix the latch.
If new battery, press left soft key. Unit OK.
Once you change the pads and battery, verify the status indicator has a green check mark and the AED is ready for rescue. If you have any questions or want to go over purchasing options, please feel free to give us a call at 800-695-1209 or visit us online at www.aed.us. Thanks for watching.